Tired of typing up meeting notes and turning them into tickets? What if AI could do it for you? Even write the acceptance criteria? The idea is simple. Record the meeting, transcribe it, then let AI extract action items and generate structured tickets. Here's the full flow. The core is this Python function. It takes the transcript text, asks an LLM to extract action items with acceptance criteria, and then pushes them to Jira via its API. To generate acceptance criteria, you can use an LLM call with a prompt that asks for a JSON array of actionable tasks. This gives you structured data to feed directly into Jira. Then you combine transcription, LLM extraction, and the Jira API call into one seamless workflow. With this setup, you can save hours every week and keep your team aligned. Try it on your next meeting and let me know how it goes.